and welcome back to another quick and informative video. In this one, I'll be showing you how to generate your UE ID card and how to upload a photo for it via the My UE page. So first of all, open up your browser and we'll type in My UE to the search bar and pressing enter. Click on the Log into UE Bristol website and just scroll down here to the My UE login link, at which point you'll log in with your own personal UE details. We'll come to meet on the My UE homepage, which looks like this screen here. Please note that this page will look a little different on different devices, such as a phone or a tablet. We recommend for your own ease that you use your PC or laptop when accessing My UE, and you can also use a computer on campus, available for you in the library and other study spaces. Now if you look to the top left of your web page, we have 4 tabs. Click on the far right tab labelled My Details to open up a drop-down menu. Find and select the link that says ID Photo. You'll find a page like this. If it's your first time uploading your photo, obviously you won't have a picture already there. To upload a photo, we click on this blue button, Upload a Photo. There are some requirements you should read through first regarding the format, quality and size of your photograph. Select and upload your suitable ID photo that's ready to go on your computer by clicking on this Choose File button here, and adjust as needed. Please make sure to upload a recent and clear photograph of yourself. Once you've done that, click this blue button Upload and you're good to go. If you're uploading your photo on a phone, make sure to click the Submit button. You may need to scroll to the side to see it. You might also find it easier to use a computer to upload your ID photo on the My UE page. Your student ID card acts as proof of your student status and allows you to access and use campus facilities such as our libraries. You should always keep your card with you while you're on a UE campus. It can take 2 to 3 working days after uploading a photo for the card to be ready for collection. Please have your student number ready when you go to the collection point. To find out where to collect your ID card, please go to the UE registration website.